English tayo eh, kasi hindi maano.
Ay, okay.
Dahil,
Yes. Sorry.
wanna grind the Titan?
Ha?
Wanna grind the Titan?
What I done?
Titan, the boss. In the volcano.
Okay, I want.
Here.
Wait.
It's very
I want
easy.
to eat.
You just wrap him in the corner.
Because I'm hungry.
I hate the mobile UI because it's too big. I can't really see anything now.
You have a voice chat?
Yes, in my the yes, in my alt account I have voice chat.
Okay.
Hindi T8 yun.
And I'm Filipino TikToker, but my account is banned. I don't know why.
Womp womp. I'm here.
Wow! The chicken is lay down the egg.
Ay.
Oh, hi.
This is the only ship that can get there, bruh. Any ship that is lower tier will just sink in the water.
Wait, hindi pa ako nakakaupo.
Bro,
Hi,
this is
Kao.
the ribs, bro.
Okay. No.
You can cancel the heat damage. Oh, it's my ship lock. What? Or stamp cabbages. No.
Nandiyan sila?
Oh yeah. It takes time to protecting themselves. Do I need sulfur?
I want fire!
I will run in fire, look.
Not that.
Why does this fire not make you panic? But if you burn in this thing, what backfire, look. It inverts your control and you run aimlessly.
Oh.
And
Makes
but
sense. Because you are Tagalog. It makes sense.
and
Say,
and if you shoot your opponent with a fire arrow, they will just get above because if you're on fire, you're just faster. But if you don't know the controls, you will just back up over enemy. Or if you try to run like normally, you'll just get closer to your enemy because it's invert controls.
can you give me a... Can we get on the training? Not just that. The training. Fight training. Just that.
You
The train.
want me to but if they have archers, just
Just ano?
just trace them like this.
I don't know.
This. I'm lagging, bro. You can't kill the people in arena, bro.
Give me that. I want that because I don't have that.
Hold
The
jump
sugar
when using the glider. Look. Hold
The
jump. Let's
The sugar glider.
let's kill the samurai later.
Okay.
I will get you the glider.
Okay. Armor. Armor.
we are bonding, but it is we are like
Siblings. We are siblings.
no,
Yeah.
we are
Don't
not
say that.
siblings. We are not siblings, bro. You stupid lion.
Oh my! The lion.
As it could get any worse, bro. Anubis moveset is literally so annoying. That's like, ew.
My
The shot is get close. No. This can't be. You stupid lion.
Namatay ka?
Yes.
No. I'm single na.
The lion got me and also just the bow. Use the bow. But if you're running, don't hold the bow.
Oh my god.
Stupid NPCs literally got ember.
Again?
No.
Okay.
We're killing the samurai.
Okay. I want the sugar glider.
What the fuck? Server later, I will ask for events like PvP. Or if we can get enough members in the server, we can make.
Guys.
We can do Kingdom versus Kingdom.
Guys, you have a 3D printer. I 3D pen. Just 3D pen like that. Have that. Because me, I love making.
The peace sign. This is the peace sign, bro. Peace sign. If you hit an ally, like if he's in your kingdom or his ally, you can kill him. They, ally. If let's say this is a kingdom, and let's say there's another kingdom here. They can either be an enemy or an ally. An ally can damage the allied kingdom, but if they live, they instantly kill you. I'm up that hill. This is my house. I know this is a Japanese temple. It's not supposed to be a house, but I like it. I like to make it a house. What the hell? No. Oh! I stuck, bro. Don't destroy it positive. Kasalag. And go up this house. Bro, go up this house.
Oh, I love parkour. I love you.
My friend got to me. Good guys. My friend gave me a sword. And I made a sword. I deleted the server because there are raiders. I changed the name. Bro, I'm lagging. I am a lucky boy. You can't count it. Bro, you have 7,000 hearty, 9,000 ribs, and 70,000 DS. What the hell? It's my Mr. Bro, it's reaching Roblox too, bro. You're like, he purchased this. And with the bag, literally, it's louder Robux. I have Robux. I have game passes. 2 game passes. I regret buying 2. There was game passes. I have dangerous mounts because I got it for free, but it's actually useless. No, in dangerous mounts is actually quite useful though. The one thing that makes the one that the one that it makes useless is horses and wheat. Of course, the elephant too, because the elephant sucks. The bears is better, more HP, and it can attack. But it's slow. What the hell? Bro, you're not hungry, bro. We go.
Look.
Autocorrect. Good job, Steve. Keyboard, but the mouse is always doing input. What the heck is this? Huh? Bro has a berry stash in there. How are you going berries without sun? Yes, he's a member. Minor. He's a minor, but he smokes cigarettes. Like a minor. Like
I
the
want to
one.
name the yellow beard. I named that dwarf. And I named 2 dwarfs and
I named this guy Socrates because he looks like it.
the yellow yellow. Oh! Do you know the yellow rain, the character on the YouTube? What's called that?
Character on YouTube. Alright guys, we're killing the samurai.
Oh yeah, I know. I want to pick it up
Oh, remember? Remember to be on Ay! 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 Stupid bear!
Because I
Listen to kaya warm bath. Bro, who actually uses this? The fire arrows, it just gets you. The someone you shoot it. If you shoot someone, they just get a buff. We always say no? I like this. I just know this. Know this lines, right? The waist of this lines is always one.
And I use this because I want to watch a Dubai. And
Eugene!
oh, we kill. First we kill
You're
the
so
samurai.
Eugene.
And I.
Alright, Art is going is leaving.
Bye guys. Once I watch some. I watch YouTube. Yeah.
What do you mean? So the exact thing.
Ignore the sounds, okay? Ignore the sounds.
Bro, as before I click. No. As soon as I'm about to click the.
Can you make me a sugar glider?
No, you get the sugar glider. You can drop on the glider, and the sugar glider don't exist because it's an animal, not in TSG.
Oh my god. Wait, I want to search a sugar glider.
I know.
Sugar glider.
It
sugar
looks like a
glider.
mouse, and if it looks like this. Yeah, I
Like
know
that.
that.
Ew. Ew. That's juicy. That juicy worm. They eat that.
Why is this adorable creature called a sugar glider? It loves sweet things like nectar and fruit. But the glider part? That comes from the skin flaps on its sides, letting it soar through the air like a tiny sky incredibly playful, bonding closely with their owners, who often toss them sky high and
Third down, let's go. What if I shoot in the pole ng sa team? Ang dami. What if it's just one? Lumos is like 2 damage. Come on. Yeah. Meron is actually not kasama yung actually yung 4 botes. The 3 4 botes. Lagi. Wow. Yan na yung black hole. Plaza. Oh! Look, this is the plaza located or that location is actually the Kulaga, the one which was very hot. The black steel sword, the adamantine smelter, the blue iron smelter, the metal maker, the slaves are here. Oh, like we all died to an end. Peace and peace. the swordsman. Swordsman. Oh, wait there. This is the temple. That is the house. This is Mexico City. This is off center. This is the button. Yung off center ko. This engineering type. This is the building. This is the fort that my friend made. Also, searching within Japanese corners and not guys,